Once again, welcome back to my channel, English on the Go, where you can learn English at ease. I'm going to talk about 6 famous English proverbs in this video. They are well known, filled with wisdom or good sense. You can use them in regular conversations. By using proverbs, you will sense the transformation in your talks. Your English would sound much better. Plus, you will look more wise and reasonable. Let's get started, shall we? Alright, the first proverb for the day is, "There's no such thing as a free lunch." This line basically means that nothing can be acquired for free or free of cost. The cost does not necessarily must be in terms of money. When something is given for free, then there must be a secret or veiled cost to it, which you will come to know later. The cost is sort of hidden. For example, I thought she was kind enough to give free chemistry tuitions for me. However, she had planned to get the job offer at my mother's office. And the interviewer was my mom. I guess there's no such thing as a free lunch. The next wise saying is, "The apple doesn't fall far from the tree." This phrase talks about children, particularly those who show personalities and behavior patterns similar to their parents. This saying is for those who possess qualities much the same as their parents. Let me provide you with a sample. Susan's memory power is increasing day by day and her mathematic abilities are improving rapidly. She might become a math tutor in the future just like her father. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Moving on to the next. A bad workman always blames his tools. This applies to people who never accept their bad performance. Instead, they always blame the outside elements, conditions, or tools for their poor results. For instance, Jennifer has overcooked and burned the cake. However, she blames the oven for it. A bad workman always blames his tools. The fourth proverb for today is, "Adversity and loss make a man wise." The soundness of judgment or simply wisdom can be obtained quicker in times of hardship and trouble. This in fact is the reality of life. Difficulties will teach you more about life when compared to ease and comfort. Let's look at an example. After failing her math exam on the last semester, Sheila worked and practiced hard round the clock. Finally, she attained good grades in the final semester. Adversity and loss make a man wise. Next one is, "Appearances can be deceptive." Now, this proverb is a lesson that needs to be learned by all. And it is true to the core. It means that you should not believe in the outer or external look. Do not judge by the outer shell. What's within or the inner content might be totally different. For example, Damien was a reserved boy and he was very inactive in class. The teachers were concerned that he didn't understand the lessons at all. But appearances can be deceptive. He became the topper in all the semesters. The last proverb for today is, "Discretion is the better part of valor." This phrase teaches us to be sensible and do not exhibit unneeded bravery. Courage should not be shown at pointless situations. It is better to keep away or stay away at times. For instance, I told my brother that it is totally unnecessary to post each and every move of his on social media platforms. Discretion is the better part of valor. I guess we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.